Welcome again, friends, to the reacting channel. For today's video, we are featuring a video from a different YouTuber under the name of Rails of United States or Rails of US, if that's what you prefer. But for this video, I just chose this one at random because he said he wanted a reaction video, but there was some issues with the commenting system. He said he sent me the link to the specific video, but I never got it and I never saw his message. I mean, that's because YouTube has a system where they treat comments with links in them as spam. So even if you link to YouTube, they'll still treat it as a spam comment and they'll automatically hide it or delete it from public view. So that's the most likely cause here. So I'm very sorry if this is not the one that you wanted me to react to, but I did want to at least put out something for the request. So yeah, we're gonna watch about this video titled "About 2 Hours of Visit Trains Railfanning in Fullerton," featuring a P40 DC leader, Metrolink 873, and more. It's published about 2 weeks ago as of the filming of this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so that's a cool intro, pretty short and straight to the point. So yeah, very good intro. Video by Rails of the United States. Yeah, as you can see the logo, US flag in the background with the Union Pacific locomotive. So yeah, I like the design of this. Alright, so it looks like this was filmed from the parking lot at Fullerton Station, so maybe it was because, Rails of the United States are probably just... Sorry for that noise. Motorcycle going by. Yeah, probably because Rails of the United States was recently, just arriving at the station, so... But yeah, Metrolink arrived at the time. Looks like there was enough time to make it into the platform, so here is the same train about to depart. Got some nice zooming in on the cab car as the train leaves the station. I heard that double horn there, although that doesn't sound like from the Metrolink itself, so I don't know who did that. The next one looks like it's a surfliner, so we'll take a look at it now.
Oh, it still has that X game rap car.
Alright, here we have a surfliner wrapped coach car. And this one's just promoting X Games. So that's what you heard Rails of the United States say at the beginning there of the clip. So yeah, that's what this is. I have actually seen a couple of these around the Burbank area. So they're still out there. So there it goes, Surfliner out of the station. Alright, this time we got an inbound Metrolink cat car leading. Also, we got somebody else railfanning with a, looks like a tablet. Seen not too many people use tablets for filming, but I've seen a couple who do. And there goes the squealing of the rail wheels there as the train comes to a stop. Alright, there it goes. On to downtown LA. Oh yeah, this is pretty nice. Got a BNSF train. This is SD78. The next unit is an H1, I believe. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's 4 locomotives on that one. Looks like it's going pretty. I got a good speed on this one. Alright. So yeah, pretty cool catch with those 2 locomotives, and on to the rest of the clip. Oh yeah, the last thing I was gonna say, I like the specific position of the camera for this shot. So you know, it's like looking straight towards the train.
Hawk.
That's a lot of bang there. So I don't think this was shot outside. So it sounds like it's shot from inside the station building. So yeah, that's why you hear all the interior sounds like that. I went too far and I lost my track here. I think it was right here. Yeah, it's because I was trying to pause the video and make a comment. I accidentally ended up scrolling the video for whatever reason. Just gonna say I like seeing the intermodal train and all those containers / trailers. So yeah, pretty cool shot of all of that. of all that stuff.
Yes, and this announcement is for train 4 on track 3, departing track 4 building. Please select this area to cross the pedestrian bridge. We go up there and
Right, got us another Metrolink train in the station here. And there he goes. Got another intermodal train with 3 BNSF. Sorry for that. 3 BNSF H2 units on this one. So yeah, awesome. And let's continue watching. See, it's a very nice and quick intermodal catch there. So yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty cool having it on the close track too, because you get a nice up close shot of the train. Alright, we got F59 PHR leading on this Metrolink train. So yeah, it's pretty nice to see a 90s locomotive on this train. So yeah, very awesome catch with F59 PHR locomotive, and yeah, I like those locomotives.
Yeah.
So this is what I am assuming is a P40DC, is the P40DC leader. This is Amtrak unit number 816. So yeah, P40DCs are the predecessor to the P42DCs, which are more common at this time. But yeah, it's cool to see one of those P40DCs. Now, obviously, the overall appearance is not majorly different because they're related locomotives, but there are some differences, mostly minor ones. But anyways, it's pretty cool. So one thing I like about the Rails of the United States videos is that he zooms into the end of the train as it goes by. I don't know why, but I like that kind of perspective filming. So yeah, I think it's cool. Yeah, that's pretty nice that you caught a Canadian National unit. Also got some horn salute from the engineer of this train. So nice to have a friendly engineer. But yeah, a very awesome catch with CN unit on the train here. And this looks like it's a port container train. So yeah, awesome stuff with this clip. Please stand by for the transition. Let's continue with the video. So 2 mid DPUs on this train. So yeah, very cool. This is going to be a long container train, looks like. Actually, I only pressed the J button, so that's why I did that. Sorry. Yeah, this is a very massively long container train. So many cars, rail cars on this one. DPUs on the back as well. So for sure, this one has a lot of cargo to deliver. So this is the Surfliner, and according to the station announcement, it's going to San Diego. So yeah, there you go. So cool Surfliner catch once again. There goes the Surfliner now. This time we got ourselves a BNSF freight train. So yeah, let's take a look. Looks like some empty, trailer carriers. These are the ones where they put trailers. Two DPUs on the freight train too. So yeah, cool freight train, and yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this reaction video, and apologies to Rails of the United States if this is not the video that you wanted me to watch, because I couldn't get the link no matter how many times I tried to find the message, but I could not find it at all due to YouTube's now horrible commenting system and commenting filtering. So that's what's going on, and that is how this thing works, unfortunately. But feel free to submit another request. Just write out the name of the video so I can find it in your videos instead of sending me the link, because the links do get filtered and they usually get deleted by YouTube automatically. So yeah, just tell me the title of the video and I can look for it. Don't worry about the link. But anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you for the next reaction video. So bye bye, and bye bye, and bye bye, and bye.